Christmas will be better. This time we will celebrate our love again. I'm flying back for Christmas home to her again. She is waiting for me at Christmas. I'm flying back for Christmas. I'm flying back to her arms, for our love has found new brand of love, not lost but bloom. At Christmas time in winter, snowing outside. Outside in cold, I smoke a cigarette, drink cold coffee in front of massive airport. My plane just landed. I better have a last pull and get my passport ready for check-in. It's going to be a long Atlantic flight, big turbulence in air, making the rest of this journey scared. We may all be dead in this plane. Bad weather passed away, play fly as it should. No more big jumps, drop in midair. 1,000 feet in a 1 second. Plane about to touch down back on this earth again. I'm getting nerves to see her again after a whole year. We've been apart, we split up, but trying to make up just for this Christmas time. For peace between us, I agree for Christmas time. And for her, me, us again. A new break in love lost, but found again. Everything is worth fighting for. She was once all I wanted from my world, from me to her. I'm flying home for Christmas. I'm coming home again. I'm coming home to her. Outside the door right now, just giving tip to the nice London black cab driver. He chatted to me all the way from the London airport. Now it's time to face the truth and knock at her door. I ring the bell, I see her shadow through door window. She is coming right on time to open door for me. We kissed at the door, 10 minutes went past, we still at it. Door wide open, people staring and laughing at us. We just don't care whatever is in them heads, but we found new love at Christmas time. Rise arms in the air. I'm flying home for Christmas. I'm coming home again. Christmas we said goodbye. It did not fit in somehow, but little break makes your heart stronger. Time away to do his magic makes your heart wonder for the other person, makes you want to cry for her. But we both knew it wouldn't last very long. We will make for lost time. I know we made our minds up, now we both happy to spend Christmas as